Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you have a Kia Optima and you need to remove or replace or locate where the exhaust camshaft position sensor is located, stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that. Also, in addition, we will explain how you can test those camshaft position sensors and know if they're good or bad. So we're going to cover all that today. So that should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Also, let me tell you quick about us guys. If you need to buy any parts tools for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you absolutely free guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. In addition, if you have a Kia Optima guys, okay, this generation, and you want to see more information about electrical components, engine diagnostics, diagnosing airbag, codes, anything like that, all that will be published on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. We have so much information that can save you practically thousands of dollars if you have a Kia Optima guys. Specifically guys, this is a 2013 Kia Optima. Now, what we need to do, first we need to remove the upper engine cover. We need to grab it with two hands, just pull it straight up. It has 4 rubber bushings that attach, okay, to these posts you can see right here. Perfect. Okay, with that being said, now let's explain something quick guys. Okay, you can see this is your engine on your Kia Optima. This is the intake side, this is intake manifold, the exhaust is on the back side. So it makes sense that the exhaust camshaft position sensor will be towards the back side of the engine. You have 2 camshafts, one here, the intake side under that cover, and one will be over there, that's the exhaust one. This is the intake camshaft position sensor, the exhaust one is towards the back. You can see right here guys. So that's the one that we need to remove. Now, it's pretty simple guys. How we do that? We need to get a 12mm socket guys, and we need to remove actually that bolt that holds this engine mount, okay, this tie down hook, the one that you use to pull the engine out. We'll actually even have a video how to replace engine on Kia Optima as well. So all that will be on the channel. So go ahead, grab it guys. Okay, comes out, you can see we dropped it underneath the car, so we need to get it, okay, but it's out. Now what you need to do, okay, you need to remove the wiring harness. Now let's explain something quick. It's just like this one here guys. Now you're supposed to have a lock piece in the middle. That's a safety clip guys, that you're supposed to release that thing first, okay, then press down and release the clip. That's how this one is supposed to be. Ours doesn't have it, it's missing it. So if you don't have it, all we have to do, just push down here, push in first, then press and remove it. Okay, and you can see this is the clip, okay, the wiring harness connector. So 10mm socket on the bottom side of the sensor, okay, you can see right there. The moment you get that sensor loose, actually it goes by hand really easy guys, like with no problems at all. So let's go ahead, do that now. Perfect, came out. Now that sensor will be stuck guys, really big time. You can wiggle it a little bit if you want to. Eventually you have to turn a little bit and get it out. That O-ring here will be stuck really big time, as I said guys, in some cases if it hasn't been removed for a long time. This is a dirty sensor. We have a video that explains, okay, how to actually test that sensor and know if it's good or bad guys. It practically takes only a few seconds to find out if it's a good or bad sensor, and I'll definitely recommend for you guys to check out the video so you don't waste the money on a new sensor. But if you need to buy replacement sensors, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from for a really good price as well guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.